Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look at how to make money online after retirement with affiliate marketing. So if you're currently retired and you want to earn some extra income now to boost your retirement income, or if you're like me, I started this affiliate marketing journey because I retire in a few years and I want to have some extra money to boost my retirement income. Today I'm going to show you 5 different opportunities so you can find choose your best, choose your favorite, one that suits you. We keep things very simple. Affiliate marketing is simple to do. It's just learning some new skills. Very easy to learn at your own pace. There's no pressure to learn anything super fast. We just take everything step by step. Very simple to do. All you do is just choose one of these 5 opportunities and we just teach you how to promote one link. That's all you do. It's really simple. We give you all the free training to do that, and I will mentor you one-to-one every step of the way. I currently promote all these 5 opportunities myself. I only promote what I only promote on my channel and promote what I actually do myself. And we've got Facebook group support for 4 of these affiliate marketing opportunities. So if there's a sort of video that you like, making money online, then click subscribe and the bell icon for notifications of future videos. And you'll see here my channel, I've currently got my Make Money Online channel, over 240 videos now on all different aspects of making money online. And everything I'm going to go through today, I've organized into playlists. If you see something that you like and you'd like some more information on it, then all you do is go to the playlist, and I've done reviews on everything we're going to go through today. So let's have a look at our first affiliate marketing business, and it's called the Prosperity Marketing System. Very solid home-based business. It's been online since 2009, so it's now in its 12th year. It's very successful, very solid. There's a couple of things. You can either promote this as a standalone business opportunity, or you can choose one of the others that we're going to share with you today, and you can use that to use a prosperity marketing system to promote that. And it's also got built in, it says here, it's got a training course built in here. It's got it says here income builders, but it says 7, but it's got income builders within income builders. There is actually 15 income streams built into this funnel. So you're not only earn from the prosperity marketing system itself. It's a membership site that costs $3 a week. It's affordable to the masses, so just $12 a month. Then you also got other income streams built in on top of that residual income stream. Just show you a little bit of proof here that this works. We'd like to get you into profit fast. I'm going to blur some of the members' personal information out. Prosperity marketing system, to get into profit, 97% of people fail online because they don't get into profit quickly enough. So we want to get you into profit as quickly as possible, and the prosperity marketing system is one of the best platforms to do that. So in this right hand column here, we're looking at membership, and there's 2 kinds of membership. There's a tour taker, which you'll see lots of those here. These are people just having a look. These are people just having a look and seeing what the prosperity marketing system is all about. You get a free 7-day trial to do that. But what you'll see here is students. So, let's see if we can get this cursor in the right place. So there's a student there, that's the first one. After you get your first student, here's a second one, then you are in profit. And that's how we teach you how to scale up faster. So let's have a look here at another one. There's another one there, that's number 3. Here's another one there, that's number 4. We're not going to go through the whole list. It's going to be quite a long video with all the different opportunities. and then we're going to X out of there because we don't want to show people's information. And we talked about earlier about promoting one link. So what we do with the prosperity marketing system, we will give you a free page, exactly the same as this, that shows your prospects a couple of videos, some testimonials of how it's been working since 2009 and how it can work for them. So we're helping people to make money online and how it can work for them. So we give you that totally free if you join our team, and we've got lots of other goodies and free bonuses as well. So let's go on to number 2 of our home-based business opportunities. This is social media. This is called Web Talk. So if you're already active on social media and using any of the social media platforms, they don't pay you an income to use them. But Web Talk is designed the same as any other social media platform, but you get paid for posting, for sharing, for liking, for commenting, everything that you are normally doing every single day, probably on social media, you can get paid for with Web Talk. So just show you this here, if that's going to come up there. If that's all right. So if I can just show you here, if I go on to view all, works on a point system. So you'll see here, you've got to be invited to join Web Talk. So there'll be a link in the description for all of, not just Web Talk, but for all of these opportunities. So enroll now, earn cash for engagement, content, and referrals. Content could be even just posting an image of something you like, a motivational or a nice image or a quote. So it's just everything you normally do. And what they do is there's also a video there. If you sign up, you can have a look at the video, and they do an income calculator. So depending how active you want to be. And what we've also got for our Web Talk team, we've got a website that shows you the basics, how to earn, growing, and referring. So again, we hold your hand every step of the way with that opportunity. Our next one is called Easy Cash for Ads. This is a one-off payment of $19. There's no monthly payments for Easy Cash for Ads. Click the link in the description and watch this short 5-minute video. And it says here that percentage of people joining after seeing this 5-minute video is over 68%. So it works very well. You earn unlimited $10 payments from this platform. So watch the video, click here now, and if you want to join, you can join Easy Cash for Ads. What we've done for you, we've if you want to make even more money with Easy Cash for Ads, we've set up some a training guide on how to get started correctly. We've set up tutorials on how to use it, and we've also done a free funnel. That's the word I'm looking for. A free done for you funnel, where all you would do is join another free website called Leads Leap. I'll put the link again in the description. And then you can just copy and paste a share code into Leads Leap, and then you can have a done for you funnel. Again, you just promote one link, and then you can earn additional income streams on top of the $10 unlimited payments. And then we've also added into it, if you look here at the bottom, we've also added into this funnel the prosperity marketing system, which was the very first one that I showed you on this video. So Easy Cash for Ads can be a standalone home-based business for you. And if you want to earn some extra additional income streams, then you can also use our funnel, our step-by-step guide. And that's got a Facebook support group for help as well. The next one we're going to look at is called $1 Million Matrix. This is quite new. What you'd have to do is you don't have to refer anybody to earn income with the $1 Million Matrix. It's an advertising platform. So if you joined any of the other home-based opportunities, then you'll see here an audience for your ads. So it's an advertising platform. If you do want to refer, we will teach you how to do that. If you don't want to do any referring, then it takes a bit longer to earn some money, but then the income is there from the spillover from those working that are doing the referring. But again, it's an predominantly an advertising platform. You see the adverts down the left-hand side here. So $1 Million Matrix is really good for those that don't want to refer and maybe want to top up their retirement. So the last one, last but very much not least, is My Daily Choice. And what I like about My Daily Choice, it's perfect for those that are retired because it's got a house of brands, and the product range, we've got a physical product range. So the previous opportunities that I showed you were all digital products, but this has got some physical products that are great for retirees. So we've got the CBD range, which helps for improve, we're not making any medical claims here, but CBD for wellness. We've got daily sprays for wellness. We've got essential oils for physical, mental and emotional well-being. If you like travel and when you're retired, we've got a High Life Travel, discounted travel brand. And for those that like Forex trading, it's a coaching platform to teach people how to trade Forex and cryptocurrency. So what My Daily Choice do, My Daily Choice is free to join, and they give you all the free marketing tools that you need. So again, when we talk about promoting one link, all we would do is go into the website here, you look at all the capture pages. These are shops, these are e-commerce shops, so you can do retail, teach you how to do retail, teach you how to refer people and build an international business, capture pages. The autoresponder sends emails out automatically for you. You don't need any have to create any emails or really state-of-the-art, superb, first-class marketing tools with My Daily Choice. And they've got a lot of they've got a mobile app. So for those that are using smartphones, the MDC Genius app. So if you refer somebody, a lot more people that are using their smartphones now for building a business. Maybe as a retiree, you're not. But those that join you in My Daily Choice have got all the state-of-the-art tools here to build an online business. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a really big thumbs up and a like. I'd appreciate that. That will help support me on my YouTube journey. And if you've got any questions on any of these home-based businesses, then put those in the comments below, those questions. I will answer all those questions for you. All the links to each of these will be in the description. And don't forget, we've got playlists if you want some more information on anything I've shown you today. So thanks very much for taking the time to watch this video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.